and welcome to the another episode of Stock Watch series. This is the episode number 44, and in this video we are going to check one more stock, that is JM Financial. Let's analyze this stock on the chart, and this is the daily time frame, and we have seen next since last couple of months, almost around 4 to 5 months, it has been in consolidation, and that's why we have chosen this stock because recently a good range breakout has been appeared on the daily time frame. So let's start with a weekly time frame, which is a slightly higher time frame compared to the daily time frame. And we have seen this is the price rejection we have seen here. Let me mark here the horizontal resistance line. So price has been rejected here since the July month. Again, then one more rejection, another rejection. So many price rejection highs has been placed here. One more time in the October month. One more time in the December first week, around the second week, and finally in the third week it has crossed this important range which was established since the month of July. So it's almost 5 to 6 months now, and the range has been crossed here on a weekly basis, on the closing basis also, with a very higher volume. So there is a good box breakout here with a good volume here. So that is a key reason that this should be a good momentum in next couple of days. So this JM Financial is having a good potential for next couple of days. This is the very high volume which was not established since last even almost 1 year, and this is the first time at this range breakout. So some higher hands are accumulating this stock is purely say because retail investors cannot produce this kind of volumes. So basically this is some big hands buying in this counter. There is good probability of that, chances are very high. Okay, so let's analyze this stock on a daily time frame. So basically we have seen a good range here since the month of July. Almost from here is also one price rejection in the month of April, and this slope of the moving average was very flat. It has turned here, from here is a slightly up, so and it along with a good breakouts here. So that's the trend has been right now in the reversal sideways to uptrend might possible because of this moving average slope. And you can see here very nice activity of volume at the breakout level we have seen in this area. So that could be a good trigger for this counter GM Financials. One more thing here is it has given a good breakout about 87.25, 87.50, and touched the level around 94 and back to the same level of the previous resistance. So now it's ranging, changing polarities here. So waiting for any kind of bullish candle here is a good entry here, and you can see probability of good momentum in next couple of days because of the various reason we have seen the range box breakout on a higher time frame, good volume activity. So on daily chart we have seen a good trend has been changed now. So trend, price, with a box, volumes, and let's check momentum. Here is a good momentum. RSI is above 60 right now and taking support above 60. Extreme bullish signal, change in polarity, and let's check the volatility also. So let me share the bands. So for bands, we can use simply a volatility indicator is Bollinger Bands, and we have seen the bands are expanding. So that is a great signal. Here is a squeeze, and this is a very good expansion of the band. So high volatility may possible in next couple of days. Okay, let me clear back to the weekly time frame as well. And on the weekly time frame, we have seen again this is a very narrow squeeze in the band, and right now the bands are expanding, and the Bollinger upper band is also broken out on upside with a volume candlestick with a good higher volumes with a good breakout candle above the Bollinger Band close. So here the bands are expanding from the narrow range. So may possible a very good volatility may possible in next couple of days. So you can keep this stock GM Financial in your watch list for next few days to few weeks, because after a good range breakout of almost more than 6 months, a very good kind of return may possible in this counter. So let me hide the band, and we have. So now let's discuss the few levels. But before this level discussion, there is one standard disclaimer. This is not a buy and sell recommendation. This is just for educational purpose. So let's mark the level. Here is a good area of breakout. We have seen price rejection so many times. So entry area could be around here, 80, 85 to 86, 87, even 88. So 85 to 88 is good area of entry. You can keep your stop loss below this swing here. Around 80 zone is your area of stop loss, because just move has started from here, and it might possible, it will give a good momentum. One more thing I have in notice, that if I can take this swing, Fibonacci 61 also comes near 85. So higher probability is 85 will not be broken out on closes basis in next couple of days. Then that is a good sign to enter and in this top. So you can enter it around 85 to 88 and keep the stop loss at 81, and we can expect a good momentum. So let me check the Fibonacci ratio first, and here is the last move here. So here is a 98 is the first zone. So let me mark the 98, 99 almost. So we can take a 100 as a round number resistance also. 100 is the first level we can expect in this counter, and another is 106 level we can expect in next couple of days, 2 weeks, in GM financials. Right now it is trading around 87.25. So you can enter any dip around 85 is a good entry. Keep your stop loss at 81. Stop loss should be on closing basis, because this is a good deliverable trade, and expecting a target area of 100 and 106. So these are the detailed analysis for GM Financial, with a good range breakout, the box breakout we could say, of almost more than 6 month range breakout has been appeared with a good higher volumes. So very good probability may possible for this counter. So I hope you like this video and you have learned a lot out of this analysis also. So you can keep sharing this video, subscribe to my channel, and wait for my another video. Thank you so much.